Hi. I want to talk to you guys for a minute. First off, can I tell you something? Can I tell you guys something? You did very good today. You did. Thank you for the good weights while we did the live feed videos. Yeah. You did good too. Yeah, you did. Everybody said, "Oh, poor Blue." What do you guys want to tell me about stress signals? You want to talk about stress signals? I do. Let's talk about it tomorrow. You're right. It's about bedtime. Okay, that was a real yawn. The other one wasn't. All right. I just want to tell you guys thank you very much. You did so good today. Are you showing me appreciation? What is she doing? I have to multitask. Can't reach. Thank you for helping me out. Maybe some more you guys help me out tomorrow. We'll discuss stress signals. What do you guys think? 2, 3, 4, 5. Must not want any. Okay, I guess you don't want any more attention. Oh, I have to make him go find attention? Oh, he shook his head and lip licked. Sometimes you actually have to introduce touching so you can get consent. Sometimes you have to do things their way to see if it's actually appropriate. And if it's not appropriate, they will tell you what they really want, and if they want more. Oh, he moved away. He must not want any. Or maybe I'm just not touching appropriately. Maybe he's going to tell me how he actually wants to be petted. Or maybe he's going to tell me how he actually wants interaction. Just maybe the human's doing it wrong. Just maybe we're not listening properly. And maybe we're causing our dogs a little bit more stress. Come here. Come here. Maybe we're not actually showing them what we really want. Good night. Bedtime stories with puppies.